Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? The thrill of creating, the challenge of editing, it can be daunting. But imagine if there was a tool to simplify this process. What if I told you that there's an easier way to kickstart your YouTube journey? Would you be interested? Welcome to the world of Invideo AI, where video creation becomes as easy as pie. Imagine a tool that transforms your ideas into stunning videos. That's Invideo AI for you. It's a feature-packed platform that simplifies video creation from beginner to pro. Not just in video, there are other AI platforms too, like Lumen 5 or Magisto, that can amplify your video-making prowess. So, whether you're dreaming of a viral video or eye-catching content, it's all possible. With Invideo AI, the power of professional video editing is now in your hands. Now, you might be wondering, how do I use Invideo AI? Well, it's simpler than you think. First things first, sign up for a free account. Then you're ready to dive into the world of templates. Choose one that matches your vision and you're off to the races. Next, add your unique content, whether it's text, images, or clips. Finally, hit the export button. Your masterpiece is now ready to captivate the world. And just like that, your first YouTube video is ready to go live. Starting a YouTube channel doesn't have to be a daunting task. With Invideo AI, you can easily create captivating content. It's simple, it's fun, and it's your chance to express your creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of YouTube with Invideo AI and let your creativity fly.